Agile Future Key 2024 Trends for PMI-ACP Pros. Agile methods have changed project management. They allow for more flexibility, speed, and adaptability. In 2024, we will see a focus on agile practices. Organizations want to keep up with fast tech innovation. PMI-ACP professionals must deeply understand agile principles and practices. They must also be able to lead agile transformations within their organizations. Enhanced collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration and communication are at the heart of agile project management. In the future, PMI-ACP professionals must improve their skills. They must excel in teamwork, strategy, and agility to succeed. Strong leadership, adaptability, and a focus on improvement are key. They will create a culture of collaboration and communication. This will foster innovation and success. Organizational agility and agile frameworks. Organizational agility is a company's ability to quickly adapt to change. It involves embracing innovation and responding to new market demands. Using agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and SAFe can help organizations. They can become more flexible, streamline workflows, and improve team collaboration. These frameworks foster a culture of continuous improvement. They also help companies stay competitive in a fast-changing business world. Technological advancements and agile tools. Technological advancements will shape the future of agile project management. They will provide new tools and techniques for project delivery. PMI-ACP professionals must stay up to date on the latest agile tools and methods. This is to manage projects in a fast-changing digital world. To navigate the complexities of digital transformation, we must embrace agile leadership. Training and development in agile practices. In 2024, there will be more focus on training in agile practices. Organizations want to build agile cultures that boost innovation and agility. PMI-ACP professionals must invest in ongoing training and coaching. This will help them stay ahead and succeed in an agile environment. To drive future project success, we must build a strong agile mindset. We must also foster a culture of teamwork and collaboration. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of agile project management is bright. PMI-ACP professionals will be key to driving innovation and success in an agile world.